What's up, guys? Warrior Lollipop back today with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be basically, I'm gonna be taking my little man. I'm gonna show you him real quickly, just a sec. But yeah, we're taking my little man, my puppy or my doggy, Rocky, and he's Chocolate Lab. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you real quickly what he looks like. So that's him right now, licking himself in the wrong spot. Rocky, did you stop licking yourself there? Oh, come here, Wizzy Bear. Hey, you're too busy licking it. Hey, want a cookie? Hey, want a cookie? Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Want a cookie? Well, anyways, yeah, that's him. So yeah, that's my puppy. Basically, I'm taking him for a walk right now down our road, and pretty nice road. It's quiet out here where I live. It's nice, quiet, live on a dirt road. I got a nice, fairly large house. Don't mean to brag. I probably shouldn't talk about it, because, I don't know, never mind. But, fairly nice house, I should say. I got a trampoline, a dog, nice family, mom, dad, two brothers. One brother's out. One brother's moved out. He's past college. He works for, what is it? Airlines. The airlines, the animals on them. Can't think of the name. I'm sure it'll come to me later. It's the airline with the animals on it. I can't remember. Something Airlines. I can't remember. It's a popular airline. Anyways, but, yeah. Sorry, the stupid flies going with me. But, yeah, we also had a foreign exchange student. His name was Kevin. He's in my first video. Our Chinese foreign exchange student. Chinese international student. He sadly left us and went back to China, but he'll be back here in America in, like, less than a month. From Ohio State University. Anyways, enough of the chit-chat. We're going back here to a walk. And so yeah, it's just like a walk video. Not much. I'm just gonna kind of showing you what I do with my puppy. And yeah, he's really, really cute now, isn't he? Yes, he is. What are you doing, Rocky? Who's my little buttercup? My little munchkin, my little chocolate little munchkin. My little chocolate little munchkin. Oh, you are so cute. I love you. I love you. Can you sit? Can you say, good boy, good boy, can you say hi to the camera? Can you say hi to the camera? Oh, butter buns. Just a name I have for him. There were like a billion nicknames for him. I probably think of more. There's any cute nickname, I'll call him that once in a while. Anyways, yeah, this is walking my doggy. He likes eating the buggies. The buggy's getting you. The buggy's getting you. Silly. I'm walking. I hope our neighbor's dog. He doesn't really like other dogs in his yard, so we'll probably just stay away from him. Oh well, you know how it is. Some good neighbors, some bad neighbors. Most of the neighbors here are great. It's like one or two neighbors. Well, actually, one of the bad couple neighbors, I guess I could say, moved out, but I mean, most, like 98% of the neighbors here are like two families who are a little shaky. Come here, Rocky. Oh, what are you doing, silly? Alright, guys, so I don't know if you heard this video. I just heard a freaky noise. I think that's someone on top of the porch. Hold on. I think that might be someone on top of the porch. Hey, Rocky. Stay here. Might be someone. Is that someone on top? Oh, Rocky, stop. Stop shooting the camera. I don't know if you guys can see or not. I think that's someone's. I think there's like a few. Yeah.
Get off my property.
Okay. Hi, Stone. Not much. Just taking the dog for a walk. Alright, guys, that's just my neighbor Stone. He's really nice. He just jokes around. Well, sometimes the jokes are a little bad. Is that right, Rocky? Not bad, but I mean, anyways. He's one of our nice neighbors. And oh, his father's name Cliff, and he's really nice. He lets Rocky all over his lawn. So yeah, I heard a creepy noise. I was just like, what the frick is that? So yeah, okay. Alright, Rocky, come on, come here, buddy. Alright, so we're gonna let Rocky off. Alright, come here, buddy. Come here, Binky Boo. Goodbye, Wizzy Bear. Goodbye. Go have fun. We're gonna go say hi to my neighbors. Alright, so we're heading over here towards my neighbor's house. Just want to see what he's doing up here. I don't really know what he's doing up here, guys. I don't really know. He's a joker. Hey, Dirtbox up here too. I don't know. Just walking up here, guys. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what Rocky's doing up here. What's she doing up here? It's our neighbor's pond. What you doing, silly? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing, silly? What you doing? Cutie. Like a little river by the well. So yeah, guys. Basically, my neighbors are talking, so I'll try to be a little bit quieter. I don't want to chat. Hey, let's go over here, buddy. Let's go over here. Hi, buddy. I'm gonna put Rocky back. All right, so Rocky's over here towards the woods. Rocky, you want to go get a rock? A rock for Rocky? No, you're gonna go get it. You're gonna go get it. Ready? Go get it. It's over there somewhere. Can't tell where I threw it. Let's get a better one. Ready? Ready? Get his butt. Come here, buddy. Wanna get a rock? Go over here, pick up another one. Ready? Go. It's over there somewhere. Come on, buddy. Okay. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Hey. Come here, buddy. Let's go up. Alright, guys, so me and Rockster. Come here. We're gonna head up the trail a little bit. I go here quite a bit. I've lived on this road where this trail is ever since I was like 2 or 3, so I've been here for like many, many years. So yeah, lived here many, many years. Nice quiet place. The dirt road. A nice place. Ready? Come here, buddy. Let's go to the trail and explore. I thought someone snowmobile at first. I'm like, you can't snowmobile in summer. Can you? No, I don't think so. Rocky, what you find, buddy? Whoa, careful. I was tripped. Alright, you guys probably get bored of me walking. So yeah, I guess we'll keep going. Did you guys hear that? Hello? Someone there? I heard it from over here. That's odd. That's odd. That kind of sounded like me. Right? Come here. Let's try head back. Hear that gurgling? Sounds like a motor. Should we check it out, guys? I don't know. I'm actually a little scared right now, guys. I heard a freaky noise. I hear like gurgling. Come on, Roddy. Careful, buddy. This is my dad's friend's property. His name's Kevin. Well, we have a lot of Kevins right now. There's a sign. Sign over there. Sounds like a motorcycle off on the road. There's a road nearby here. down. Meh. Chris Trail, oh yeah, this trail. I know what trail this is. Guys, I'm getting a little freaked out. Gotta admit. Yeah, anyways, we shouldn't explore. I haven't found anything yet. I don't want to like find a dead body or anything. I'm sure it was nothing. Anyways, guys, head back. Oh, which way? Which way did that come from? Oh no. Guys, which way did it come from? I'm joking. I know which way it came from. Over here, up here. Stay on the freaking trail. Come on, Rocky! Come on, buddy! They'll come after a while. Like I just said. Anyways, guys. So, yeah. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. I'm just gonna probably name it something like, took my doggy for a walk and heard a strange noise. Didn't find anything, something like that. I don't know what I'm gonna call it. Pretty strange noise, though. I gotta say. Oh, here's Rocky now. Go home and get you a doggy treat. Go home, get you a cookie. You stop itching yourself. Seriously, you ain't gay. I don't go biting myself there. Seriously, idiot. Come here, fool. Come here, bud. Anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'll see you all later. Bye.